Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you a really brief wig review on one of my favourite wigs and one that is staying in my wig collection. I have decided that out of all the wigs that I have reviewed that there are only two that I'm holding on to, and this is one of them. And that wig is the January wig by Jon Renau, and the colour that I got mine in is FS6 3027, known as Toffee Truffle. Thank you for joining me today. My name is Ange, and if you're new to my channel, I like to share all things beauty and lifestyle aimed at the more mature woman. My channel is mainly on beauty products, makeup, skincare, etc. But I do have several wig reviews as I have spent the last 12 months going through breast cancer treatment. My hair is naturally growing back now after losing it to chemotherapy, and I had a journey trying to find wigs that I liked and enjoyed wearing. I am keeping two of the wigs out of all of the wigs that I did purchase and try and review for going out purposes and special occasions. So if you are interested in beauty content aimed at the more mature woman, I do lots of eyeshadow tutorials for downturned hooded eyes and a mature skin. Please consider subscribing by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Don't forget to click on the notification bell so that YouTube does let you know each time I upload a video. I do upload videos on a weekly basis, and I would love to see you back. Now this wig I absolutely love. It is by far my favourite wig that I have tried. It gives me the tousled waves that I wanted. The length is perfect. It's not too long, it's not too short, and the colour has got some warmth in there. I probably would have liked to have played with a different colour as well, not so chunky in the highlights, but this is really nice on. Before I pop her on, I will show you what the features are of this wig. She is a beautiful wig to wear. I really enjoy it. It has a wefted cap. It has the extended velvet nape, and the adjusters are the adjusters I like with the Velcro rather than the hook and eye. We have got the velvet covered ear tabs. There we go. And we have a beautiful ear-to-ear lace front and a monofilament top so that you can part it anywhere you want. I haven't played with that yet. I've just enjoyed wearing it as it is, but I could play with that parting. Okay, so let's put this gorgeous girl on. I really like her. Now, I know when I'm doing these wig reviews I end up in such a mess. I haven't combed her, putting her on. I love the tousled curls. Oh, I have to say the eyeshadow that I wore today goes well with this colour wig. Now if you're interested in this eyeshadow look, I have just filmed this look using the Natasha Denona My Dream palette, and I will leave a link to that here. But she is just, the ear tabs are perfect for me. They're not too low, although we're not having to wear masks on a daily basis anymore, only if we go to medical places or aged care facilities. But as I'm in and out of medical places I do need to wear them a bit, but I'm usually just using my natural hair. But isn't she gorgeous? I just love her. Now, she was one of my pricier wigs, but I feel she was worth every penny and is going to stay in my collection till I can grow my hair and enjoy my own hair. But this is just beautiful. The lace front, beautiful and natural. So that's with my hair peeking through, and I could pull it forward if I wanted to, but just looks so beautifully natural. And with the monofilament, if I wanted to, I could part her anywhere I wanted and have fun. But she falls really nicely with the curls, just the way she came. And I don't like over fiddling with the wigs when they have a curl, because these don't last forever, and I just want to preserve her for as long as possible. She's just gorgeous. So that is the front, left hand side, the back, and I just love the tousled curls, and the right hand side. Now, some of the beautiful features of this wig. So January by Jon Renau is part of the Smart Lace collection and is a cascade of tousled curls that fall at chin length. The impeccable extended lace front offers you a natural hairline, allowing you for off-face styling, and the monofilament top that seems to be invisible on the skin. And on this monofilament top, the hair is actually hand tied, so it gives you even more of that sophistication. So she's going to look great pinned off your face, tucked behind ears, but I like the style just how she is. So I haven't done much in the way of styling of January. I just like her the way she is, but because of the fantastic features of this wig, I can definitely play with her, wear her off the face, and she's going to look natural and beautiful. I love the colouring of this, and just really excited to have such a pretty wig in my collection. Okay, so she has synthetic hair, has the monofilament top, lace front, wefted back, which is really good coming into summer because you're going to get, it's a little bit cooler when it's wefted. It's an average size cap. You can also get this in petite, and you can also get this in a light hand tied version as well, which I'd really like, but I'm not spending any more money on wigs. It weighs 163 grams. It's light to medium density, so it's not as light as some of the other wigs that I've really enjoyed, but I think because of the curls, it's just perfect. The approximate length is, the fringe is 8.5 inches, the crown is 10 inches, the sides are 6.5, and the nape is 4.25 inches. And when I start playing with my wigs, all of this gets in my face. This is one of the two that I have kept in my collection, and I have worn her several times to events, and I really enjoy her. When I've got a special occasion, a nice dinner, this is the wig that I am going to reach for going out, and the second wig that I held on to is more of an everyday casual tousled look, but this is definitely my go-to going out feeling special head of hair. As I said, a really brief review of this wig. I love her. January by Jon Renau. Highly recommend. I have tried her on in some blondes as well. I found a store here in Christchurch that stocks this particular style of wig, and I must admit the blonde's really pretty too. So love, 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 love. The curl pattern in this is just amazing. I do have to say I have seen this wig now in several of the wigs, and the curl pattern depending on the batch can change. I was really lucky that the curl pattern in this when it arrived was exactly what I wanted, and I have tried quite a few on in different colours that had this curl pattern. I purchased this from Shaquelle in Australia before I realised that there was a store here in Christchurch. I didn't even know it existed that stocked Jon Renau. So I went and had a play just to try different colours on, and the store was the lady at the store was just amazing, and I wished I'd discovered her at the beginning of this journey. She would have made such a difference to how I tackled this, and would have taken so much stress out of the wig journey that I had. So I hope you enjoyed that. Very brief. I am not an expert in wigs and the in-depth reviews that a lot of wonderful ladies on YouTube do. I'm just sharing my experience of the wigs that I've found and have tried. But this one, true winner. Thanks for joining me today, guys. If you did enjoy that, please give the video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That would make my day. And I hope you've all had a beautiful and a wonderful day. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you later, guys. Bye.